It's your boy, Chef Boy Easy. Today we about to be doing New Orleans style strawberry, fresh strawberries too, matter of fact. Strawberry margaritas. It ain't fresh, it wasn't washed. I just washed it though. Coochie. Alright, you want to take your strawberries, cut the ends off. Make sure you try not to get too much of it. Got that one 8. Make sure you get one that you bit and put it in there. Just like that. So now you got your fresh strawberries right here. You're gonna wash them off. They're fresh. Put them in there. All right, you got your Bacardi mix, straight HEB, you heard me? Take this, pop it open like biscuits in the morning, and you pour it in there. Make sure you get all of it. You wanna take your fresh ice. Make sure your ice machine working too, because it'll be nasty ice. Take it. Don't add too much ice, because ice makes it light. You wanna just put enough in there where it's not over, because that overpowers it if you put too much ice in there. All right, make sure you got your 1800. You can use vodka. You can use some vodka. You know what I'm saying? You can use anything you want. I don't use brown for my daiquiris at all. I mean, you can, but white keeps it light, keep you up all night. So what you want to do is you want to open it. As you see, me and my brother ready to play so many Unos. Man, ain't that much in there left. But you want to make sure it's good. And the only way to tell is take a shot. Ooh! Ooh, like Ric Flair. All right, just joking with you. I wouldn't talk. So you want to take it. You want to add it to it. You want to add all of it. Just like that wife looking back there, she 9 months pregnant right now. She like, where mine at? I gotta get my virgin. I got your virgin. All right, so you wanna take that? Got your ice and everything added in there. We got the Ninja. I mean, this, to be honest, the best blender I ever had. Maybe because I ain't had too many blenders. The other ones was from the dollar store, but this one's still good. All right, so you wanna take it just like that? All right, get a close up on it. Get close up on it so they can see this. And just hit that button. All right, at the 3,900 minutes, I'm just joking. At about like, I let it go for like 1.5 minutes. It's just so everything be straight. Now look at it. Look how smooth it is. You don't see it running. It ain't doing no running or nothing like that. Kind of show y'all a little bit better. Just shake it up a little bit and let it pour. Look how froze it is. Look at that. Alright. And as you see, this is how you make a daiquiri. This is smooth. Oh, it's strong too. That's that good. But as you see, it's straight solid, so it'll last. Most people, when they get it, take them like an hour to drink it. It take me like 10 minutes. But I'm about to say, you just, oh yeah. If we cooking tonight, I drink this whole thing, we're gonna eat McDonald's. Drive safe. That's how you make a New Orleans style fresh strawberry daiquiri. To then keep it Gucci.